Today I will show you how to enable Gaming Boost and control how much RAM is used by Edge on Windows 11. This can be useful if you are playing games while using Edge and want to make sure you are getting the best performance possible. To do this, open Edge, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then click Settings. From the left-hand menu, click System and Performance. Now click Performance. Scroll down. Here you can enable or disable PC Gaming Boost. You can also enable resource controls. This will allow you to limit how much RAM Edge can use, which can help improve gaming performance and reduce lag while playing games. Once enabled, you can choose how much RAM Edge is allowed to use by adjusting the slider or selecting one of the available limits. You can also choose whether the limit applies all the time or only while you are playing a game. After making your changes, close the Settings tab and your settings will be applied automatically. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.